classify the following. Now you write here parallelogram, you write here parallelogram as the answer. Here you will write rhombus as the answer and also write a type of parallelogram. Or you can write uh, you can write a class of parallelogram, or you can write bracket mein parallelogram also. Okay. Acha, so now supposing they would ask you again, you will like for the parallelogram, the four properties. So the properties you can write first you label it A, B, C, D. Okay. So then you say AB is parallel to DC. And that's how you write and you write AB is equal to DC. Similarly, you will write AD is parallel to BC and AD is equal to BC. Then you will write that the diagonals are equal. So these diagonals, oh sorry, not equal here. They bisect each other. So you'll have to put AO. You write AO is equal to OC and BO is equal to OD, and you said they bisect each other. Then you write the angles are equal. Angle B is equal to angle B. The opposite angles are equal. The opposite ones are equal. And A is equal to C. So you write like that. Now these are the properties of a parallelogram. There's nothing more. But rhombus is a parallelogram, is a type of parallelogram. So all these four properties exist. So if I were to again label this as A, B, C, D, then all these you will have to write first. Then the unique ones. The unique ones are that this is equal to this is equal to this. So earlier we had said that AB is parallel to DC and AB is equal to DC. But now you will say AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. All of them are equal. Then you will say the diagonals bisect each other. We had already said the diagonals bisect each other here. Here you will say that they bisect each other at 90 degree. So you will say angle AOD is equal to BOD is equal to BOC is equal to DOC is equal to 90. Then what else? You will say, actually there's a unique property, but it's too high that this angle is equal to this and this angle, but I'm not going to tell you all this, right? So they bisect each other and the diagonals are not equal in this case. And then if they talk about the rectangle, you will say again name them as A, B, C, D. And you will of course write all these four properties of the parallelogram before writing the unique properties of a rectangle. So that rectangle, so that is A is equal to B is equal to C is equal to angle C is equal to angle D is equal to 90 degree. The other thing is the diagonals are equal here. So AB is equal to, sorry, AC is equal to BD. And we had said that they bisect each other. That means this was equal. But if the diagonals are equal, all these parts are equal. So we say AO, here we have said that AO is equal to OC. But here we will say AO is equal to OC, yes, but it is also equal to DO and is also equal to OB. So the diagonals are equal and the parts they bisect each other, and also because they are equal, so all the four parts are equal. So if you can actually see and measure this, you can actually use a scale and measure it. This is a trapezium. This is a trapezium. Now this is not a parallelogram, so nothing to do about these four properties. Just this is parallel to this. That's all. So you can write this as. This is a special case of a parallel trapezium. He's put 90 degree here, but that's trapezium don't have, the only property is AB is parallel to DC. And this is a rhombus. So now you start writing. None of these four properties of a parallelogram, because kite is not a parallelogram. And but you'll have to write that if I name this as A, B, C, D. I will write to write AB is equal to BC. AO is equal to AD is equal to DC. This is equal to this is equal to this. They bisect. Now both the diagonals don't bisect. Only one diagonal is bisected. This is not equal. So this is the most important thing in a kite, that only AO is equal to OC. OD is not equal to OB. The diagonals don't bisect each other. Only one diagonal is bisected. And the other property is that is like in rhombus and square, that these are all are 90. So angle AOD is equal to DOC is equal to BOC is equal to AOB is 90. So all these are all the properties of